Hi, I'm just about to talk to you regarding the report writing process, and just to reiterate the remarks that I made during today's meeting. Okay, so just to recap, on the report, I'll just go through grade 9 through 12. Okay, there the academic achievement levels 1 through 7, and there are approaches to learning. And so these are just the same as everything we've been using. So these approaches to learning, the data from semester 1 will be drawn from PowerSchool, and the overall achievement grade will be drawn from PowerSchool, and also the comments will be drawn from PowerSchool. So that's the report, and lots of other bits and pieces of information are drawn from PowerSchool as well. So we have when you go to PowerSchool, I'll just go back to the start page. And then just talk you through the process. Right. Okay. So I'm on my start page, and I'm going to go into PowerTeacher Pro. And since the approaches to learning are the first thing that occurs on the report, okay, these approaches to learning, I'm just going to talk about how we generate those. And I'm hopeful that my internet will in fact work, because it's been dreadful today. As I said in the meeting this morning, that theoretically this should be quite a fast process. Okay, let me go to, so I'm going to A+ grading, and I want to go down to standards, because that's where our approaches to learning are. And you can see, if I just go to show it more, we've got excellent, there we go there. And grade scale. Okay, 1 through 4. Oh, it's not 1 through 4. Just ignore that. Show less. Okay, so we if we go back to our grade scale here, we've got excellent, good, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, and insufficient evidence. I'm going to put in the insufficient evidence code for you if you need to use that. So most of these students are going to be probably stay pretty much at this level, okay? And it's just a matter of going through and checking that. So Sungbin has an excellent for the organisation, learning attitude or approaches to learning. She has an excellent for the next standard there, which is collaboration. She has a good for the next standard there, which is HOVA, communication and information literacy. She has a good for the next one there, reflection and thinking. And finally, she's got good for transfer and application. So basically, the teacher of Sungbin will decide whether or not these are still a good fit for her, and whether or not she needs to be changed. And as I said, I will put in a IE up here, just for insufficient evidence. Okay, so there we go. And we talked a lot about professional judgment indicator. That's what that orangey thing there means. Okay, so you're going to put in approaches to learning there. Now, the overall achievement, you might have, if you're pretty advanced with this, you might have your grade book so it generates a final grade already. If this was my class, this is where I'd be. I would already have a grade there. But in this case here, we're just asking you to enter a grade. Okay, so this is middle school, so it'll be 1 to 4. Again, the insufficient evidence will be there as well, but I would expect most people to be entering a grade, either a 1, 2, 3, or 4 for students, and then you just need to copy and paste your grade in there. Now, if you had if I just open, I'll just do a quick little copy and paste job here. So here's the first part of my comment going in there. And I can press return and then pop in the second part of my grade there. Okay, and you can see that when that grade goes into your into the report, it will be it'll have a 2-paragraph structure. Okay, one part will focus on the academic achievement, and the other part will focus on attitudes to learning / character element of learning. So, and then it's just a matter of going to the next student, and that's already saved. Okay, so very simple process. My key thing at the moment is please don't enter the grades in here yet. Hopefully I can give you the green light at the beginning of next week, or maybe even the end of this week. But I just have to dot a few I's and cross a few T's as far as the report is concerned, and the coding aspect of that. So apologies for that, but I'm really thinking that for each class it would be a maximum of half an hour to complete the copying and pasting of comments into this box, and the allocation of grades for achievement, and the allocation of grades for approaches to learning. So I'm hoping that that makes things pretty clear for you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I want to make this process as easy as possible for you. Thank you.